We still have quite a bit of snow on the north side of the barn, but spring is trying to get here. Here you can see all my garlic beds. We've got the elephant garlic here. Elephant garlic coming up. And then we've got the music garlic, all sprouting. And this is my regular garlic, which is a German white, and it's sprouting. Another bed of German white, and yet another bed of German white, and the final bed up here of German white garlic. So, well, while there still is snow in a couple spots on the property, spring is trying to get here. Hope you have a great day.